Saeed Khan Rangeela was born January 1, 1937, was a Pakistani Lollywood actor, singer and director. He is regarded as one of the finest comedians of the Pakistani film industry. He performed in over 300 films in his career, spanning over 4 decades. Early life and career. His birth name was Mohammad Saeed Khan and he was born in Nangarhar province, Afghanistan. His family moved to Peshawar, Pakistan when he was very young. He took a keen interest in bodybuilding and physical exercises as a teenager. He moved to Lahore at a young age and earned his livelihood by painting billboards for the Pakistani film industry. Once, when the shooting of a film was taking place, an actor for the film's Tali character role was needed. The film director asked Mohammad Saeed Khan to play the part, which he did. All those present during the shooting were amused by his acting style and he became an actor through sheer luck. Rangeela made his professional cinematic debut in the 1958 Punjabi film Jati, directed by M.J. Ranadok. He started playing humorous roles in movies and to everybody's surprise became highly popular. In 1969 he formed Rangeela Production to produce his own movies. He not only produced films but also directed his productions, sang songs and wrote some scripts as well. His movies, to the surprise of many film industry stalwarts, attracted a large number of viewers. The film Biography, the 1969 film released on May 9, 1969, was Rangeela's directional debut. He directed numerous movies under the banner of Rangeela Productions. His acting was showcased in the film Rangeela 1970, in which he played the title role. His third consecutive hit film was Dil Aur Dunya 1971, starring Habib Thajiya and Rangeela. He brought to the film Dil Aur Dunya the sobering sense of a director's prowess, which is the opposite to his celluloid persona. When Rangeela produced film Dia or Tooth, and he sang the song Eaa Mere Man Wagadaji They Cannot Hide Hanta to urge people of the film industry were taken aback to know Rangeela was producing the film. The film attracted a large number of moviegoers. His song also became very popular. Death and survivors. Rangeela died on May 24, 2005 at the age of 68. Rangeela was a dominant actor in Pakistani cinema for over 40 years. He was married 3 times and had 8 daughters and 6 sons. One of the daughters is Aisha Mumtak, who is making news in the city of Lahore by being a very strict enforcer of the law and regulations on food consumed in public restaurants. She is serving as a director of Punjab Food Authority in Lahore. She conducts her now famous unannounced raids for inspection of food being prepared in the restaurant kitchens. Awards. Nagar Award for Best Screenwriter for Film Rangeela in 1970. Nagar Award for Best Comedian in the film Dil Aur Dunya in 1971. 6. Nagar Award for Best Comedian in the film Insan or Gathal in 1973. 6. Special Award from Nagar Awards for simultaneously playing 3 roles in the film Married in the Jahannama in 1972. Special Award from Nagar Awards for his comic role in the film Norkute Malik in 1982. Nagar Award for Best Story Writer in the film Sona Chandi in 1983. Nagar Award for Best Director in the film Sona Chandi in 1983. Nagar Award for Best Comedian in the film Miss Colombo in 1984. Nagar Award for Best Comedian in the film Baggy Shady in 1986. Nagar Award for Best Comedian in the film Teen Yankee Teen Chakri in 1991. Nagar Award. Special Awards. Millennium Award in 1999. Pride of Performance Award in 2005 by the President of Pakistan for his contributions to the Pakistan film industry.